Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you have information about online seminars and study manuals for exams PFM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the Actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation, at least tax-deductible to the extent allowed by law, to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam LTAM from the multiple choice section of the last spring 2019 exam LTAM, number 8, problem number 8 from the multiple choice section. For a fully discrete 3-year term insurance issued to a select life age 60, you are given the following information. The death benefit is $50,000. An excerpt from the 2-year select and ultimate life table applicable to this insurance has and you have the ages 60, 61, 62, 63, population size of the select population, then population size 1 year later, LX in brackets plus 1. That's the select population a year after the selection. And then 2 years later, this becomes reverts to the standard mortality. That's why it's just LX plus 2. And the HX plus 2 is indicated. The interest rate is 5%. Calculate the probability that the present value of the death benefit is less than $45,000. And here's the solution. So recall that the present value of the death benefit is a decreasing function of K, the curtailed future lifespan of the insured, meaning that the longer the person lives, the smaller the present value of the death benefit. In the case of this life insurance policy, if the insured 60-year-old was selected at age 60 dies during the first year, the present value of the death benefit is $50,000 divided by 1.05, so discounted value of $50,000, and that's $47,619.05. That's definitely more than $45,000. If the insured dies during the second year, the present value of the death benefit is $50,000 discounted over 2 years at 5%. And that's $45,351.47, still more than $45,000. But it's close. So if the insured dies during the third year, the present value of the death benefit is $43,191.88. It drops below $45,000, and we know that the longer the person lives, the lower this number will be, the present value of the death benefit. And therefore it means that the present value of death benefit will be less than $45,000 if the person insured, this select life at age 60, will survive the first 2 years, because only during the first 2 years the present value is more than $45,000. And what's the probability of that? Well, it's the probability of 6-year-old selected age 60 living 2 years. That's L60 in brackets plus 2. So select life surviving 2 more years divided by L60 in brackets. But of course, after 2 years, this mortality of this person reverts to regular mortality. So that's just L60 in brackets plus 2 is the same as L62. So this is just L62 over L60 in brackets on 97,000 divided by 100,000, and that's 0.97, which is answer D. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from a Society of Actuaries examination, so it belongs to a Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.